Hi guys, a very warm welcome. This is Mehak Nair from Bodyprocoach Nutrition, and today we are going to be doing an easy recipe for vegetarian lovers. So yes, we're going to be doing wasabi chickpeas for you guys. One large mixing bowl, one small bowl of chickpeas. They've already been soaked in water for about 3 hours. That's dry garlic, rock salt. Then I have wasabi powder by Urban Platter and olive oil. So in a large mixing bowl we add chickpeas which are already been soaked earlier. To that I'm going to add wasabi powder. That's going to be about 1 big tablespoon of the same. To this I'm going to add rock salt. That's pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to add some dry garlic to it. You could also add paprika or chili if you like so. And lastly I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to mix this really nicely, and yes, it's ready to go into, either you could use a non-stick pan. Second option, you could bake it on an oven or a microwave if that has an option. Third, you could use an air fryer. Today I'm going to be using an air fryer. So I've set this on 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. It's not compulsory to go in for a wasabi powder. You could also use normal options, like you could also go in for black pepper seasoning, you could use garlic seasoning, you can also go in for a tomato seasoning. So our wasabi chickpeas is ready. Like I said in my other videos also, the seasoning is completely your choice. You can opt for a tomato, a cheese, you could go for a black pepper, you could stay to simple salt and lime also. I just thought that this is tasty and it's different. That's why I did this. So all you guys, you could try this too. And 4 reasons why you need to have this or why you need to choose this recipe. Why? Because one, it's a really healthy option for a vegetarian. Second, it is high in plant-based protein. That means it meets all your necessary requirements. Third, it helps you to reduce cholesterol and keeps in control your diabetes. And fourth, it's easily available in the Indian market. So please grab it and quickly make your snack today. So please stay tuned with us. Hit that bell button so that you get an intimation of our videos. We do information videos, we do HIIT workout videos, and we do nutrition videos. So stay tuned with us. Please like and subscribe our page and share it with your friends. See you next time. Thank you.